Hey homes, welcome back to another tutorial by XAXs Corps, and I'm Aditya Roy, or XAXs, founder and creative director. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to handle the error message of Photoshop not supporting 3D elements, especially mainly in the latest version of Photoshop. And let's begin. So when you open a latest version of Photoshop and a file that is using 3D features, then you will get this message, and this is true because latest version of Photoshop doesn't, and this is because Photoshop has discontinued the 3D features after the current version, after the particular version, because it was getting very difficult to manage between different devices. But the key part is they discontinued it after a particular version, and that's the way to bypass it. You are not exactly bypassing it in the current version, just click OK, you can't do anything about it. We will bypass it by using the version of Photoshop that is still supporting it, and to do so you need to install a different version of Photoshop. Now you can see the current version is Photoshop 2025, which is the Photoshop 2024 after the beta and generative fill, etc, and the version that supports 3D features last was Photoshop 2020.2. So we need to have that, and to get that you need to go to apps, and you will have all the apps that you have installed here. And since you will be seeing only one Photoshop, because you most probably have a single one, we'll be clicking on these dot lines, go to other versions, and then install this one, which I have installed, so it's showing uninstalled, but you can install other versions as well. For example, let's say there's Illustrator, click here, other versions, and you get the list. And once you have installed that, you will have two options, which is the latest version and the older version. And to open that, see, once you have Photoshop, by default whenever you open it, it will open with the latest version, which in this case is this, which is the 2024. And to open a file using the older version, you have to open that Photoshop first. Once you have the older version of Photoshop open, now you will be opening the file from within the Photoshop instead of using Finder or File Explorer, depending on the operating system you're using. As you can see, you are not getting that error message at all. You are getting all the 3D features, everything, and it will work perfectly fine now. And it's working fine. So this is pretty much it. It's more of a hack than of a huge technical complicated stuff, but anyway, it's simple hacks that makes our life easier. I hope this short video was pretty useful to you, and subscribe to the channel for more. We already have a lot of more tutorials live, and there will be more coming, and check out our website for more useful resources and other stuff. And thanks again for watching. Hope to see you in the next one soon, and till then, keep creating and stay above the crowd.